So the big question is, when will society reopen? Well, our Kayla Green talked to a doctor from the University of Rochester Medical Center today, and he says that won't happen until the majority of us are exposed to COVID-19 or there's a vaccine. Here's Kayla's report.
Herd immunity happens when 60% of a population is exposed to a disease, but this has to be done slowly so hospitals aren't overrun. Using social distancing to achieve herd immunity also prevents an exponential increase of cases because so many people have already been exposed over a longer period of time. Dr. Michael Apostolakos is the chief medical officer at the University of Rochester Medical Center. He says at this point, only 5 to 10% of our population has been infected with COVID-19, meaning 90 to 95% are still at risk.
Right now, the population's being exposed, but at a very slow rate, and that's what social distancing does. It doesn't get rid of the disease, but it slows down the transmission, and if people are going to get severely ill from it, only a few will get severely ill at a time.
This is why he says we need to continue social distancing until there's no longer a risk of an exponential spike.
Herd immunity occurs when there is enough of this spread over time to infect enough people. So if you didn't do social distancing, a lot of people would get infected very quickly, but it would overrun the healthcare system and people would die unnecessarily.
Dr. Apostolakos says a vaccine could also lead to the reopening of society.
We're hopeful that COVID-19 is a one-time disease and that if we give a vaccine, we'd be able to protect against it. But there is concern that, like influenza, it could mutate and then circulate each year in a slightly different form. Now, even if that is the case, vaccines are generally helpful, even if they're not a perfect match for the virus. But once again, since this is the first year we're dealing with this, we're not really sure of what the future holds.
Dr. Apostolakos also says they're still not sure if people are immune to COVID-19 after getting it once. He says the new antibody tests will help determine that. In Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
All right, Kayla, thank you. Just yesterday, the governor said the state will reopen in phases and in a way that will not drive up infections of COVID-19. By the way, URMC is one of 9 NIH-funded vaccine trial evaluation units. What does that mean? Well, vaccine testing will occur right here. The URMC will be involved in that next phase of vaccine trials, and it does hope to accept volunteers this summer.